Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to find profile settings on your account on Telegram, easy and quick. First click on these three lines here and now click here on your profile, and here as you see you'll find it your profile settings. You can set a profile photo, or you can edit it as you want and as you like, and that's it. You can also uh, manage this number, or your username or your bio, and that's it for today. And that's it for today's video. If you like this video, don't forget to like and don't forget to subscribe. I hope this video is helpful for you, and thanks for watching until the end, and see you in the next video.